Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix File Explorer not responding or not working on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. So at first, what you can do is just go to your taskbar, right click on it, and go to Task Manager. After that, just expand this, and from here, search for Windows Explorer, and right click on it and just click on Restart. It will restart the whole Explorer for you. After that, try to open the File Explorer and it should work. But if it still doesn't work, what you can do is just go to your search and search for Control Panel. Then just open up Control Panel. Then just maximize this. Then from here, you need to go inside File Explorer Options. From here, make sure to click on Clear. Click on Restore Defaults. Then just click on Apply. Click on OK. Then just close all this and try to open your File Explorer again and it should work. And if it still doesn't work, what you have to do is just go to your type again and type Control Panel. From here, open up Control Panel. Make sure View by is set to small icons from here. And after that, again, go to File Explorer Options. From here, make sure you're in General. And from General, what you have to do is select Open File Explorer 2. Just hit the drop-down menu and select this PC. Then just click on Apply, click on OK, then just close this. Then just try to open your File Explorer and it should work. And basically that is how to fix File Explorer not opening or not responding on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.